What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, a lot of you signed up for credit repair around July through September for the one-time payment deal. Um, most of you are already done, but there are a few of you who I am still currently working on your credit. I just want everybody to understand that after your letters go out in February, that is your last round of letters. So if you wish to continue, there will be a monthly fee at a discounted rate since you did pay the one-time fee when I was offering credit repair for a one-time fee, which everybody knows now I'm not because you can't. So after February, if you wish to continue, let me know. I will be removing everyone from the software just because that will be their last round of letters. If you want to continue, simply contact me. There will be no startup fee. There will just be a discounted monthly rate. If anybody needs me, call, text, or email me, and we can set up a call to go over your file. I hope y'all have a great weekend.